Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. So there's a lot of buzz in the last week about silver. Wall Street Bets has been buying silver and you can see that everywhere. You can see this spike here and I expect this spike to continue. Look at this, the bullion dealers are all out of physical silver. There's no junk silver anymore. Let's look at the American Eagles. These are also out of stock. Let's take a look at First Majestic. We also see some of these bars sold out. You can still buy this, for example. And there's also an interesting phenomenon going on in the silver lease rates. You can see that this is going higher, and I expect this to hit the zero soon. And whenever this happens, you can see that the silver price typically moves higher. At each of these peaks, it will move higher in the next few days. So this will probably go to the 30 level soon. So how do you play this? You can just buy the physical, of course, but if you want to leverage up, you need to buy the miners. And I think that the best one to buy is Endeavour Silver at this point. So this can easily shoot up to $8. So you can have a double. I will show you why this is. So let's take a look at the fundamentals first. So Endeavour Silver provided the production update for this year and the cost guidance, and I was not too happy with this. So production is going to be at 6.5 silver equivalent, and the costs have gone up to 19. So the costs were 17 and now they are 19. Production was 8 and is going to 6.5. So I was not very happy about this. I typically follow the production numbers, and you can see here that the fourth quarter was very high and it will go down at each mine. So you can see Guanaceví mine, Bolanitos mine, the El Cubo mine is already sold to Vanguard, and we have the El Compass mine. So the largest decrease is at the El Compass mine because they need to find more resources. They need to develop some of the properties to get access to the resources. So they have decided to reduce production there significantly. Bolanitos looks pretty okay. Guanaceví has gone down, but overall this is still very good. It's still at a nice high level. But yeah, I wasn't too happy about that. Let's hope that they will find more resources and get steady production here at the existing mines. Now, why should you buy Endeavour Silver? Because around 63% of their production is silver and the other part is gold. And the same for the resources. We have a lot of silver resources here and uh, a little bit of gold as well. So if you want to have huge exposure to silver, this is the company you need. On top of these mines, we also have another project, which is the Teronera Project. And you can see here what the leverage is. So for example, we are now at 26 silver. We have an NPV of 450 million. And if it goes to 50, we have a $1 billion mine. And this can quickly go higher. So I will also take these numbers into my calculation. Something else that I want to say is They also have the Parol mine, which is coming online somewhere in 5 years from now. So Teronera is going to go online in 2 years, Parol probably a few years later, and they're doing a PEA on that. So this mine has about 40 million silver equivalents, as you can see here. And they will start drilling again to bring this to 60, 70 million silver equivalent. So this has not been added to my valuation yet because I don't have a PEA yet, but we will see what this will bring. So in total, we have 200 million ounces of silver equivalent at all of these mines. And they are going to give another estimate for this year. I'm still waiting for that. Okay, let's take a look at the valuation. So my calculation is being done by using a multiple of EBITDA to EBITDA multiple of 5. Current production is 6.5. Future production is 12.5 million ounces. Current AISC is 19.5 and future AISC is around 13, I think. So I have two estimates. The first estimate is based on the NPV of Teronera. And this is the NPV calculation. I've divided it by 2 because I think that you should divide it by 2 because it has a mine life of 10. So that's why I divided by 2 for my calculation. And this is the formula for the current existing mines with 6.5 million production. Then I have another way of calculating this, and this is based on future production of 12.5, EBITDA multiple of 5, and future AIC of 13. So let's take a look at the numbers. Let's start with the current price at 27 first. So you can see that the current price of Endeavour Silver is at 800 million. And it is sitting nicely between my boundaries, my two valuations. It's a bit overvalued, so it's a bit higher than the midpoint of this. So let's see what happens when we go to $30. Then Endeavour Silver becomes fairly valued. Could probably go to 900 million. That's a 10% increase. If we go to 40, then this can go to 1.4 billion. That's a double. And at $50 silver, then we will hit 2 billion with this company. So that's a triple. So silver going from 25 to 50 is a double, and the company will do a triple. So that's your leverage in this company. Let's go to 100 silver. So that's a quadruple in the silver price. And this will lead to a valuation around 5 billion. So that's around a 7-fold increase. So 4-fold in silver will give you a 7-fold in Endeavour Silver. So that's all I wanted to show you. If you want to have leverage, you buy the silver miners. And Endeavour Silver is a very good choice for that. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you in the next one.